What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land, and welcome back to D's Card Break. As always, I am D. All right, guys, just like I promised, I am back from doing the giveaway video. Pick the winner, guys. That video's just been out maybe a little over an hour from the shooting of this video, so people are still trying to catch it. But if you have already, or even if you haven't and you're just popping in on this one and skipping that one, it is what it is. I am going to go ahead and open up this Series 2 that I got at the card shop today. So if you did catch my my last video, you did see that I picked up a box of 2018 update jumbo box. So really looking forward to getting in that one. But I asked Mrs. Cardbreak, hey, which one do you think I should do first, update or Series 2? And she said Series 2. So that's what we're going to do. So guys, everybody knows this product has been out now for, I don't know what, a little over a week now, I think, something like that. It's still new. Everybody's still ripping a lot of it. So guy at the card shop, Mr. Joe, over there at the card shop, cut me a little bit of a deal on it. You know, so which was great. But this is my first look at them. Pack one, guys. Let's see how it goes. In this product, you are guaranteed one auto or memorabilia card in every hobby box. So, obviously, it still has the same design as Series 1, of course. But, you know, a lot of rookies going on this year. Everybody's looking for Vladimir Guerrero and Pete Alonso, whatever you want to call him. Guys, definitely worth getting, that's for sure. Josh Reddick Gold. I will take that any day. See what number he is. 1365 out of 290, or 2019, 290. What am I talking about? Jason Hayward. Good card. Jacoby Ellsbury. I didn't even know he still played. That's, yeah. Nick Williams. Not the Met we are looking for. Hugh Darvish. Awesome. Pack one down. I'm going to have to reorganize this a little bit better. Everything's on the wrong side. Yeah, let's go ahead and just get these out of the box. It's easier to stack them right here. Put that there. Oh, now they're going all kinds of out of order. There we go. I don't think it really matters none, though. There we go. Set the box aside. Here we go, guys. Pack number 2. This one feels a little thick. Could just be me, though. Yep, there are 14 cards per pack. 24 packs per box. Evan Longoria. John Edwards. Nice. Hey, another gold card in here, too. There it is. Cool. Oh, Gold Cup. Nice. All right, let's see. 1489 at 299. So 2 packs, 2 gold cards. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I saw that Tyler Naquin has a card in here, which is getting up nice, which is cool. I love Tyler Naquin. You guys didn't know that. Now you know. Some of you do know. All right, pack number 3. Can we go 3 for 3 with the gold cards? Hey guys, I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible, especially since it is a whole hobby box. I mean, this video is going to run about 20 minutes long. So we'll just try to see what we can do about getting to the good cards fairly quickly. Oh, Tatis Jr. rookie. Take it. We did go 3 for 3 with the gold cards. Look at that. 313. Nice. All right. See, home run challenge, George Springer. I might do that. Any more good rookies hiding in here? Ryan Braun. Luke Voigt. Nice. Nice Luke Voigt card. Oh, I like that. Got him getting all pumped up. It's really good stuff. All right. Keep plugging right along. So, number 4. 20 more packs to go. Joe Ross. Dakota. Giant Stadium. There's my first throwback right there. Yadier Molina. Nice. Very cool. Put that right there. Andrew McCutchen. All right. So 4th pack down. That's cool. So far, so good. Jake Cave. Johnny Field. Kevin Newman. Nice. First 3 rookies. Stanberg. Jeremy Jeffries. Oh, what we got there? Vladimir Guerrero. Nice. Old Bowman card. Yep, the old iconic cards. That's really cool. Albert Pujols, Hall of Famer. Andrew Benintendi. That's a nice one of them. Awesome. Doing very well. Just plugging right along. I like it. Now, since all the packs and stacks are all jumbled up now, who knows when we're going to hit our hit. Wonder what it's going to be. Normally pull relics out of all this. That's just me, though, normally. Willie Adams. Gold Cup card. Steel City Slammers. That's a cool card. Nice. Tyler. Oh, Tyler Naquin. Yes. 150th, too. Is it numbered? Oh, not numbered, but I will take it. Awesome. Awesome, Tyler. Awesome. Thank you for showing up to the party. Garrett Cole. Tyler White. Nice. Another Indian. Giancarlo Stanton. Awesome. So far, not looking like I'm pulling, I mean, besides the gold cards, doesn't look like there's a lot of numbered cards. You know, other than gold. But of course, I'm going to go back through after all this and, you know, go through, look for short prints, photo variants, anything of the sort. Because unfortunately, I did not do my homework and look up the checklist like I normally do. But, you know, it's just Series 2. So, you know, you're basically still looking at the same design, pretty much same cards, just a few new faces. There's another 150th. Sweet. Again, not numbered, but cool. AJ Happ, that's a cool card. All right. Here we go. Don't forget what pack we're on. But that's all right. Still got a whole stack of cards to go. Big old stack of cards. Been a while since I got into a hobby box. Nice. Victor Robles, Future Star. Like it. Nice. That's awesome. Ozzie Albies, Future Star. Really cool. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Sweet King Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Ichiro Suzuki on the back. Look at that. My guys right there. Oh, what a sweet card. So happy I pulled that. Awesome. Ian Happ. Dustin Flowers. There we go. All right, just keep this plugging right along. So, guys, what have you opened up in this so far? Have you pulled anything awesome yet? Have you had a chance to rip it? There we go. Get a couple more rookie cards. None of those guys I'm recognizing. Man, Hunter Renfroe. San Diego Padres Stadium. Tim Hill. Hey, there we go. We got our first 84 design. Nice. That's awesome. Carlos. Ain't gonna even try that last name. Cody Bellinger. All right, there we go. Nice. Yes, we are just plugging right along. Yeah, can't wait to get into those updates. Can't wait to see what hits I pull out of those. So excited I got it for the price I got it for. Oh, looks like I got my first rainbow in there. And what's that? Oh, it's blue. Steven Duggar rookie card. I got a refractor behind it. So not numbered, just a parallel. That's awesome. Put that aside. Awesome. John Gaines. I think I said his name right. Probably said it wrong, but either way, there he is. He's there. Troy Tulowitzki. Nice. All right, cool. A blue 84 parallel. That's not bad. Nelson Cruz. Shohei Cup card. Nice. I'll take it. Good stuff. Nice. All right. Here we go, guys. We're getting down to probably, I don't know, I have to say about a half a box worth now. So we probably already burnt through a half a box. We got on front. Nice. Carlos Santana. Nice. Ozzie Albies and Ronald Acuna Jr. Sweet card. Oh, that's really cool too. Garrett Cole again. Already starting to get some repeats. Wow. right, here we go, guys. Let's see, who can we pull out of this one? Nice. Ben Gamble. Aaron Judge and Giancarlo Stanton. Pete O'Brien. Here's another all-star card. Menti Muchato. Mr. Muchato. Oh, nice. Allen. Greg Allen. CC Sabathia. Awesome. All right. I'm starting to wonder, where is that hit at? It should be coming along shortly. Nice. There's Straw. That's a cool one. Set that aside for sure. Justin Smoke. Kyle Wright. Shane Armstrong. Chris Archer. Cool. Nice. Oh, Cleveland Indian. I like it. Jacob deGrom All-Star. Alright, that does it for that pack. Alright, getting down there, guys. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So this makes, yeah, just about there, guys. 10 packs left, including this one in my hand. So here we go. Alex Verdugo, future star, because he is. Felix Hernandez. Wade Boggs. How sweet. Would have been cool if it was autographed, but wow, I will take that in a heartbeat. Wade Boggs. Awesome. Alright, let's see. Anybody else? That's about it. And of course, guys, like I said, you know, I'll go back through, and if I find, you know, anything, if I skipped over anything or found a number card that I just glossed over, I will definitely do a recap or show them again in a later video. Yeah, just want to kind of get through these because I still have some things to do. Steve Cishek. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I think that's our hit too. Wow. All right. Yep, Relic. I knew it. That's a pretty cool card. Huh, that's cool. And our Relic right here. Booyah. I might know a couple guys who might want to buy or trade for that. Byron Buxton. Just game use watch. Little jersey chunk. All right, there we go. So that was our hit. Right there, Byron Buxton. So I guess I'll see most of you guys later. That thing was not that thick at all. I thought it might be a little thicker than that, but that's cool. Like I said, I might know a guy or two out there who might want to trade or buy that. Oh, gosh. Ouch. Look at that. Wow, I don't even know if it's going to focus on that. That thing's dinged. Wow. All right. Here we go. Rougned Odor. Oh, that's cool. Another ironic card. Iconic. I call him ironic. Oh, nice. Here comes a Jet. gonna get a little loud, guys. Hopefully not too loud. Nope, not bad. Not bad. Alright. Ahmed Rosario. Fireworks in Colorado. Lance Lynn. Roberto Perez. Bryce Harper. All right, guys. We got 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 packs left. Here we go. Oh, Ted Williams iconic card. That's cool. I like Ted Williams. Walker Buehler Gold Cup. Cool. All right, guys. All right, there we go. Yusei Kikuchi right on top. Yusei Kikuchi rookie card. That is awesome. Oh, put that one over here with the rookies. Good rookies. Oh, nice. Randy Johnson. Take it. Got to watch him pitch this year. That was fun. All right, guys. 5 packs. Here we go. Not like we're really looking for anything anymore except for like Vlad Jr. You know, that's basically about it. Austin Riley, if he's in here. Like I said, I didn't check the checklist. So, no idea who's still in here or not. Stam Usual, nice. Another 84. Zach Greinke. Whoop, dropped him. All right, 4 more packs left. Oh, keep dropping cards. Where are you going?
Outside the big bro.
All right, have fun. Oh, Mr. Mustache, nice. Oh, that's a nice guy. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, we got another gold cup here. Or gold card. Gold card, not gold cup. That one's 901 out of 2019. That one's really cool. Refractor. Not numbered. All right, here we go. Last 2 packs. What's in them? Nice Houston Astro card. Nice Brewers card. Lou Brock. Nice. Chris Sale. David Frost. All right. Here's the final pack, guys. Here we go. 2019 Series 2 Hobby Box down. And just like I predicted, we got that relic. Nice Tiger Stadium. Josh James rookie. That's cool. 150 year. Not numbered. Austin Meadow, Future Star. I'll take it. Another Josh Reddick. Matt Kemp. Oh, nice. All right. Eloy Jimenez. I like it. And San Diego Padre card. All right, guys. That does it for this break. Real quick recap. I actually got, a couple decent cards in here. The Austin Meadow. 150th. Got a Refractor. 84 rookie. Nice Randy Johnson card. Walker Buehler Gold Cup. Another nice Refractor. Lance Lynn. Wade Bogg. 84 All-Star design. Alex Verdugo Future Star. Jacob deGrom All-Star. Manny Machado All-Star. Shohei Ohtani Gold Cup. Steven Duggar Blue 84 rookie card. And Carlos, however you say his last name, 84 rookie card. This awesome King Griffey Jr. card. Another 150th. Tyler Nake 150th. Pull that aside. This ironic card of Vladimir Guerrero Jr. and Yadier Molina All-Star. That's that for the really cool cards. Our gold cards are numbered. It's Josh Reddick, 1365 out of 2019. This guy, 1489 out of 2019. Cody Reed, 313 out of 2019. And this guy out of 109 out of 2019. So not too bad. Not too bad at all. And the key rookies, good rookies out of this one, I should say. Eloy Jimenez rookie. Josh James rookie. Yusei Kikuchi rookie. Miles Straw rookie. And Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie. So, guys, and our big hit, which I will be dropping on the table, we'll be letting go of to one of my there we go, get that back, to one of my Twins fans out there. I know a few people who might have interest in that card. So Byron Buxton, game used. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, slap a like on it, leave a comment. I hope you're subscribed, and guys, I will catch you at the next break.